Banish writer's block with a tick of the clock. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue most writers, whether beginners or experts, come across: writer's block. More specifically, we're going to discuss a very effective technique to overcome this problem: setting a timer for focused writing sessions. So what exactly is writer's block? It's that frustrating situation when a writer loses the ability to produce new work or experiences a creative slowdown. This could happen due to stress, self-doubt, or a myriad of other reasons. But here's the good news: writer's block is not permanent, and you can definitely overcome it. One of the most efficient techniques to break through writer's block is the timer technique, also known as time boxing or the Pomodoro technique. This involves setting a timer for a focused writing session. By doing this, you give yourself a set amount of time to just write, regardless of how perfect or imperfect the output might be. Here's how you do it. 1. Set a timer for a period of time. This could be 25 minutes, 45 minutes, or even an hour. It's entirely up to you and your concentration span. 2. Write for that duration. Don't worry about mistakes or the quality of the work. This is a draft, and drafts are meant to be refined. 3. When the timer goes off, take a short break, around 5 minutes. 4. After your break, repeat the process. After a few sessions, usually 4, take a longer break, maybe 15 to 30 minutes. It's crucial to give your brain some downtime to avoid burnout. This method is effective because it turns an intimidating task into a series of manageable chunks. The timer serves as a reminder that you only need to focus for a finite period of time, reducing stress and anxiety. Plus, taking regular breaks can enhance your creativity and productivity. Remember, the key is to keep the momentum going. Don't worry about creating the perfect piece in the first go. It's more important to get your thoughts out there and then refine them later. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, stay patient with yourself, and remember that every writer, even the most celebrated ones, have faced and overcome writer's block. Happy writing, everyone!